Hello there, fellas. Trying to learn this new camera and wanted to show you blog readers how we've come on the project so far. You might recall back in November I started a project to build a building on the land, and some of you guys had said you wanted to see it when we got it completed. Well, it's not completed yet, but we got phase 1 done, which is the basic building. Phase 2 is about ready to start, and I thought that I'd give y'all a walk around and show y'all what we have so far and give you an idea where the plans are going. We're real proud of it at this point. The club's been using it for several months, and now we're getting ready to start phase 2. So let me give you a walk around and show you what's going on. As you can see, we have a 4-lane range here. The targets are on practice mode right now, and that's done just to show you how the system works. You get 3 flashes, 1, 2, 3. Then a random time and the light will come on. There it is. Once the light comes on, the shooters can shoot at the target. Now that target is 17 3/16 inches. It's 15 foot from the firing line, which is the edge of the carpet that you see in front of you. You can also see shooters' tables and what we call hand judge stools. Now as we pan around, you see we have a comfortable chair there, and actually we're not sure where that chair is going to wind up. As we pan up, you see the club banner we're quite proud of. Then we'll pan back down to the scoring table. What we have here is the timers, the loudspeaker, the place where the announcer sits. Back there is a place where we can keep score. We pan around, we've got a cute little wire table that somebody gave us that we can keep paperwork on. A love seat that was also donated, a coffee table, another love seat. Let's stop and look at that for a minute. Under the air conditioner, we have our church logo, which is the cowboy kneeling before the cross. Panning on down, we have a registration table which tends to catch everything. It's quite a job keeping that off. We go around to a whiteboard that somebody gave us. It was quite accidental. And then of course the American flag that we're quite proud of. This is where we do the shooting for the club. And now you've seen all 4 walls. We have display timers up in the ceiling, and while it's a 4-lane range right now, we can easily expand it to 6 lanes. As we go past this wing wall, which is simply a piece of heavy fabric, we've got a club refrigerator and a stove that will be used in phase 2 of the project. Various and sundry implements. And on that corner is our portable range. Now as you can see, I can expand this range to 6 lanes. I've already got the displays hanging there, and it's already wired for the next targets. As we walk across, oh, here's what we call a shooter's table. It's got all kind of bags and impediment that we use while we're shooting. And actually I could use 2 or 3 more of these tables. I don't believe anybody ever has enough folding tables. I have 2 targets here that we can use a dry fire area. And a rather nice case, and this is actually where Jane keeps extra clothes. Cowboy fast draw requires a lot of clothes. And she's got a lot of nice outfits right there. Got some more targets laying down behind that thing. As we pan around, project 2, or phase 2 of this project, is going to start right there in that corner. I'm going to put a bathroom in that's 8 by 6. And a rudimentary kitchen. And by rudimentary, I mean we're going to have a stove, a sink, a refrigerator, and that's about it along that wall. It'll break about that center post. And then this will continue to be a project area. Well guys, this is the shop that I've been working on for the last 4, 5, or 6 months. It's 40 by 50, 2,000 square feet, with a fast draw range. And we're getting ready to start project 2. It's the home range of the cross-branded Peacemakers, and I especially like that. Let's use the zoom and see if we can get on that. Welcome y'all. That's what we want this place to be. A welcoming spot for shooters, friends, and family. Y'all come see us. We'll try to make you comfortable.